This is a very silky soup. The cream that you have here, this base, is so flavorful with, you know, with that paste that we made with the shrimp, the onion, the garlic, all of the goodness it has, that ginger, you just have a hint of that ginger. It's nice and spicy. Oh, guys, this is a winner. To do two things to get ready for our soup. First, we're gonna process tomato, onion, garlic, and ginger with some chicken stock in the food processor, or you can use the blender, okay? We're gonna set that aside, and then we're going to put a 1/4 pound of, you know, clean, deveined, chopped shrimp into the clean processor or blender, and the same thing, blend it into a puree. We can add a little bit of chicken stock to make it easier. We're using a total of 4 cups of stock, okay? I used 1 to puree all the stuff, so we have 3 in here. I'm just gonna add the pureed vegetables and the, you know, chopped up or pureed shrimp into this. We're going to bring this to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, okay? All right, this is simmered 10 minutes. I am going to now strain it and bring back that beautiful broth. So this is nice and strained, and now I'm going to add a 400 milliliter or 14.5, I think it is, ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk to this. That's about 1.5 cups, by the way. I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of hot chili peppers. This is optional, of course. I'm gonna just whisk this for a bit because the fat from the coconut milk is on top here. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which are corn flour, which I have diluted in a little bit of water, and I'm gonna add that. And I'm gonna stir this until it starts to thicken. Make sure you work at low heat here. You don't want this to start, you know, boiling really hard. And just stir it and stir it. Okay, I'm going to add a 14 ounce of these baby corns that come in cans. I took it out of the brine, and we're just gonna add it to this. You can add corn kernels to this. You can add little potato to this. You know, whatever you like. This is what I have today. That's what I want to make. Season this with salt and pepper. Not much salt. The shrimp already has some, so taste it. Right now I'm going to add another 125 grams. So we're using a total of 1/2 pound of shrimp into this. You know, it doesn't have to be exact, so that we can finish up our soup. Now this will cook very quickly. As soon as it turns, you know, pink, we're gonna turn off the heat. You do not want to overcook shrimp because, you know, it gets rubbery and it's ugh. All right, as soon as it turns like that, turn off the heat. It'll continue cooking in the hot liquid. Serve this with some lemon and a little bit of green onion on top, okay? Just for color. We'll squeeze a little lemon in here. Oh. Oh my goodness.